Hi everyone and welcome back to Djji Tutorials. Today we are providing an overview of what it takes to become a lawyer and the core personalities of the top lawyers in our societies. Becoming a lawyer is a challenging but rewarding path. Prospective students should be aware of the rigorous education, potential debt, competitive job market, and the demanding nature of legal work. Students should also assess their skills, interests, and work ethic to ensure they are suited for the legal profession. By understanding these challenges and considering their own aptitudes and interests, prospective students can make a more informed decision about pursuing a career in law. The very top lawyers are not only logical and analytical, but they display a great deal of creativity in their problem solving. The best solution is not always the most obvious, and in order to outmaneuver your challenger, it is often necessary to think outside the box. A good lawyer possesses a combination of strong analytical and problem-solving skills, excellent communication and interpersonal abilities, and a deep understanding of the law and ethical principles. They are also known for their perseverance, emotional intelligence, and ability to build trust with clients. A good lawyer prioritizes their clients' needs and goals, keeping them informed and involved in the legal process. If you find this video is useful, please share with other students. Thank you for watching.